This is Loretta Wetzel, and I am here in Utah with over 1,300 real estate investor friends, family we call it, and I don't usually do this sort of thing, but I could not resist in posting this. I am in a room with $100,000 earners in this business, and we are a group of entrepreneurs who simply use the tool of real estate investing to get our lives back, to enjoy our families, to have quality time. And it's amazing to be able to have that freedom and to be able to have financial literacy, apply it, acquire properties, be able to reduce debt and have fun. You know, life is too short. You gotta have fun. So I am here. I'm gonna pan the room a bit. Let's see, because I'm kind of new to all this. Let's see. Hold on. There it is. There it is. All of these amazing people who have earned $100,000 in their business simply by sharing about real estate investing. So if you're interested, you know, let's start a conversation. This may be for you, this may not be for you, but it's okay. You know, I just wanted to share because I'm having so much fun. Here is my good friend, Christian Sadler.
This lady is amazing. Follow her lead.
Thank you, Christian. Hey. Do me a favor. Say hello.
Hey,
Facebook
what's
Live.
up?
I'm
How's
not
it going?
used to doing this, so.
Yeah, I think your horse. Yep.
I gotta do
that
it
way.
this
Yep.
way.
That's
See what you learn when you hang around millennials. You learn a lot.
Yep. So when you want to do a horizontal live, you start with horizontal and then live.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You got it.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy you. How are you? Happy Renata.
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Just a few folks. All right. I'm signing out. I'm going to hang out with my friends. I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye.